Hello everyone, it was indeed great to host this conference, state level conference on child protection and child rights. So on behalf of IQAC and also on behalf of Nirmala Niketan College of Social Work Autonomous, I am really very happy to be part of the organizing committee because this is what we envisaged. What has come out of the conference will actually pave a way to see to it that a new era comes in where we are not again unprepared for another pandemic or any kind of disaster where children are left unprotected and vulnerability is increased. We are looking forward once again collaborations from all academic colleges at the state level in social work, as well as all the NGOs and all the institutions to be together and form some kind of a committee which can take care of some of the issues which have come up in the conference.
Hello, my name is Meghna Veswekar. I am an assistant professor at College of Social Work, Nirmala Niketan. We recently concluded a 2-day virtual conference on the impact of the COVID-19 pandemic on children. One of the aspects that comes forward is the impact of the pandemic on children who are alleged to have committed crimes. Familial conflict and instability, poverty, death of a parent, remarriage, poor education, low-paying jobs, all of these factors come together to make the idea of easy money from crime more tempting than it would have been otherwise. Also, there is an abject lack of non-institutional rehabilitation options after release. That are the main factors contributing to juvenile offenders re-offending. We need to ensure that the solutions to juvenile crime consider all the above factors. Thank you.
We congratulate the College of Social Work, Nirmala Niketan, for organizing such a well-timed conference on child protection. It's an issue and concerns which are timely, and I think we needed this conference so that we talk to each other about protecting our children, who are of course the future for tomorrow. I must say that all of us who spoke at the conference were concerned about education, about health, about livelihood, and a pandemic like COVID or any disaster, how it makes children the most vulnerable. So what's our role? Our role as College of Social Work, since we work with children, we work with marginalized communities, first thing we need to do is actually listen to these families, listen to these children, what they are saying, what they are not saying. It is also important for colleges of social work like Nirmala Niketan and colleges in Maharashtra to actually do a survey, do a rapid appraisal of the impact of COVID. There have been lots of studies, but I think what we need to do is going at the micro level, going at the community level, and see what is the real impact on children and their parents. I would like to say that you can't look at children or a child in isolation. You need to look at him in relation to his family, his community, and the state administration. I feel we are well positioned at the College of Social Work and other colleges in Maharashtra to work with the government, make the system responsive to the most vulnerable, and actually put practice into policy reforms. Thank you.
The College of Social Work, Nirmala Niketan, had organized a 2-day conference on child protection, issues and concerns during the COVID-19 pandemic. This was a platform that the College of Social Work created in order for sharing, learning, and ideating together experiences with like-minded professionals who had their experiences during the COVID-19 pandemic. This was a great opportunity to work together and to create opportunity for the way forward to impact policy, program, and practice in the space of child protection. Since the child is the most vulnerable section of society, the College of Social Work felt the need that the impact of the pandemic was maximum on vulnerable families as well as children within these families, and hence this was a great opportunity to discuss together. The way forward is the most important aspect of this conference, because it's fine and one thing to share experiences and learn from one another, to document, to do research, to do maybe resource mapping, but the most important thing is for it not to end with a conference.
This conference gives one lots of hope, as so many civil society organizations and professionals participated. They brought in their perspective, their experiences, their suggestions to ensure that child protection structures are strengthened, that child rights is promoted, and appropriate interventions take place promptly. Thank you, College of Social Work. Would love to collaborate in any way I can. Thank you for this opportunity. I am Maruk Edenwala, a lawyer and a visiting faculty at the College of Social Work, Nirmala Niketan.
I found all the sessions that I attended extremely insightful, especially the cybersecurity of children, the rights of children, and also the condition of children in institutional care during the COVID-19 pandemic. The one thing that was very evident through all the presentations was that there are a lot of government mechanisms in place, such as laws, schemes, but they are not reaching the people. Their implementation is lacking. So the one thing, the way forward through this state conference conducted by College of Social Work Nirmala Niketan would be to advocate for the implementation of all these mechanisms in its true spirit and making it reach the actual beneficiaries. Thank you.